for your open door tour?
Oh man, not really, but let's do it.
So how many years have you been with Get Wit?
May 7th was actually my 6-year anniversary.
You're usually the one recording these videos. How does it feel to be on the other side?
You know I hate this so much.
You're an amazing animator, director, and producer. What's a project you have loved working on recently?
We're currently working on a project with a local chef collective that I'm super excited about. You know who you are.
Can you summarize your role into one word?
Not really, but if I had to, I would go with layered.
You get one free plane ticket to go anywhere. Where are you going?
I've always wanted to go to South Korea my entire life, so I'm gonna make that happen here soon.
Would you rather never change your hair color again or never be able to get your nails done again?
I do love a good acrylic nail, but I cannot go without dyeing my hair, so.
What's the most important thing about being on set?
I think the most important thing is making sure everybody is bought in on the vision and also stay energized, even after a long day.
What's your biggest piece of advice to anyone starting in animation?
Outside of watching a shit ton of tutorials, it's share early and share often.
Nice office. Closed door or open door?
Unless I'm in a meeting, my door is always open, and I actually enjoy working alongside my coworkers.
Thanks for your time, Kari.
Thank you. What's the tea, guys?